Today's topic is unique gift to the world. Srila Prabhupada, the founder Acharya of Hare Krishna movement, had his first meeting with his spiritual master in 1922. Within the very first meeting, his spiritual master ordered him to preach the message of Bhagavad Gita to the English speaking audience, and specifically in the Western countries. Srila Prabhupada prepared himself for about 40 plus years, and at the fag end of his life, at the age of 69, he made a historical departure to the USA. He went to the USA through Jalduta, a carrier cargo, on August 4, 1965. Practically, he was penniless and he had no sponsor except for one, and that too just for a period of 1 month. Srila Prabhupada, when he landed in America, he practically had no idea whether to turn left or right. In history, we have seen many saints from India have been to West to spread the message of the rich Indian spiritual culture. Then what was so special that Srila Prabhupada had to offer to the world? So there was some uniqueness and speciality in the message that Srila Prabhupada wanted to share with the world at large. And among many other things, one of the uniqueness of his message was that he basically brought the message of Bhagavad Gita as it is, without mental speculation or concoction. And second, we all know that in the entire world, people know about Hare Krishna movement, but many of the people are not aware of who is the founder Acharya of this movement. And Srila Prabhupada is the founder Acharya of the movement. So the reason for this was that Srila Prabhupada always kept himself on the back foot and he always kept God on the front foot, unlike many other Swamis. That was his uniqueness. Once Srila Prabhupada was being interviewed by a reporter, and the reporter asked a question to Srila Prabhupada, why you have come to the West? Srila Prabhupada said that I have come to the West, you had stolen everything from India except one thing, and I have come to give you back the thing that you did not take with you. Srila Prabhupada established this movement by registering it in 1966 in New York, USA, and from USA, New York, at Tompkins Square Park, the revolution started. The transformation started taking place in the entire world. And that transformation was meant to bring unity and peace in the entire world. The peace and unity by understanding and applying the message of God in our day-to-day life. When Srila Prabhupada was preparing to go to the West, hardly anyone in the world had a clue or an idea that he will bring a revolution in the entire world. and practically in the span of 12 years he demonstrated that by visiting different parts of the world and establishing the message of Godhead for the entire humanity. That revolution is still continuing in the entire world, and that revolution will continue to take place in the entire world. Thank you very much, Srila Prabhupada, for giving this unique gift to the entire humanity.